David and this is my fish. My name's Ashley and this is a batik.
Oh, that's a fantastic technique. It's called batik. It's molten wax on material, and the material soaks in all the colour, all the paint and the ink when you put it on, except on the waxy bits, leaving a pattern or a picture. Now, there is another way that you can create a wax-resist picture using one of these, ordinary household candle. You just draw an invisible picture onto your paper with a candle like that. When you've done it, watercolor paint, nicely mixed in with loads of water, and you can brush it or sponge it right across your paper. And miraculously, there's your picture appearing. A little bit of wax, a little bit of paint, a little bit of a wax attack.